So Cinnamon is like the annoying little sister. She keeps going after Sapphire and Sprite and biting at their toes and their feet and stuff, and their tails. And they just look at her like, leave us alone. Having a great time though. So right now Cinnamon's on the left, the green one is Sprite, and the deep blue one is Sapphire. Go after that tail. Come on, kids. Come on, babies. You're gonna find your ladder. Come on, kids. Grazing. Grazing birds. A little closer at least. The cage is up there and over there. And they could get on that ladder if they would just figure it out. So they're all going to hop up on that chair. So it looks like what they want to do. Budgies are pretty cool. Yeah, you can do it. Oop. One down. Guess they're just going to graze for a while. As long as they don't leave the room, they're alright. They finally found their way up onto that little swing, and Sapphire climbed up the ladder onto the cage but never went in. And at the moment, Cinnamon is back inside on her swing. They're quite happy. Quite content. It's been a nice little outing for everybody. Cinnamon's a little bit snotty. She's actually the snottiest of the three. Oh. What do you think there, Cinnamon, huh? She wants to come down and join them. Just come down and torment them at least. Nope, back in. Or not. She can't make up her mind. She's been chewing on the tail, poking at the tail, yanking on the tail of Sprite. And when Sapphire was on the cage and she was inside, she was kind of poking at him and showing off like, this is my cage. But we'll see. I think the dynamics will change. It'd be nice if all three of them could coexist in this cage peacefully, because then they could just come out all the time and it would be great. Those two are getting along just fabulously.